Yes. Hi everyone. I would like to welcome everybody to our first video together with Amanda Hawtree-Taft, Absolute International Master Educator. So we sit down on one of the Sunday afternoon and I ask Amanda to help me out with some products and give you some idea about an easy nail art designs which you can create in the salon. So here is Amanda.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here and to talk about some simple salon designs. So the first thing I'd like to show you today is one of the newer products that we've got in the Crystal Nails range. And it's the new Pro Foil Gel. It's absolutely incredible for working with foils. And all the problems that you may have had experience before with foil gels are eliminated with the new product now. You can't over-cure it. It stays perfectly sticky. It's brilliant for actually doing small designs or larger designs. And I promise you, you can't go wrong with this foil gel. It's amazing. But first of all, I want to just do a base coat on my tip. I've chosen a nude colour. Nude's my favourite colours. This is 3-step 44 here. The 3-step system, as you know, you have to have 2 coats of colour. So I'm just going to apply my first coat. And while I do that, Anna's going to sing you a song. No, I'm joking.
No, I'm not going to. Not going to. But nude is quite popular in salon work.
Nude is great because it can go any season. Right now we're filming this just before Christmas, but this could be for spring, summer, autumn, winter, Christmas, whatever. Just going to put my first coat on. And that needs to cure for 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. The other thing I want to show you whilst we're doing this design is another of our newer products, which is the bubblegum gel. Bubblegum gel or spider gel.
Yes.
Spider gel, yeah?
Yeah, it's
sticky, but it's very effective and very easy for salon work, and all my clients love it. And you can combine it with other techniques as well to get a really nice effect. It comes in a range of colours. Currently we have white, black, silver, gold, rose gold, and champagne and a red, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
Perfect. We have lots of colours. It's very, very easy to use, but I'll show you that in a moment. Here's my first coat of colour. Just going to pop a second coat on.
Yes.
Just to get the complete coverage on the colour.
Yes, come a little bit more. Yeah.
Yep.
Into the
camera.
Into the camera. So this is really going to be an easy salon design. So you can, even if you have just plain colors, you can cheer up your customers, you know, with one item or 2 items. So you don't have to have a big color range, but you can still have different designs.
Happy customers is what we want.
Yeah. Yes.
The other thing I like to play with when I do simple salon designs is playing with shiny and matte surfaces, because it's just in itself, it's actually quite a nice way of actually creating some art or differences on the nails. So once this is cured for another few seconds, I'm actually going to apply a coat of Crystal Nails Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Keep on saying that word. Matte Ever top coat. Matte Ever top coat is it dries without a sticky layer.
Yes.
Yeah, and it dries very, very matte. It has an almost rubbery type of finish to it, but it's perfect for doing further levels of nail art, painting on top of it. But in itself, it's brilliant, and it stays matte. Some of the other matte top coats that I've used before turn sort of eggshell effect afterwards, but this stays perfectly matte. Brilliant for painting on it as well. So here's my tip. Beautiful colour, 44. I like that actually, very much.
Yes.
I'm going to apply my Matte Ever. The other thing about the Matte Ever that's good now is it's clear as well. Some of the previous matte top coats have had a shadow or a cloud in them.
Yes, and we have 2 different sizes, so 8 milliliter and 30 milliliter. So everybody can try out before investing too much.
Yeah, but the bigger bottles are better value.
Yeah, I know.
Buy big. Always buy big.
I know.
So the Matte Ever takes the same amount of curing, 60 seconds in LED, 2 minutes in UV. But actually it goes matte very quickly, so you can see the effect happening straight away. So now what I want to do is I want to use our Pro Foil Gel. I'm going to use it very simply in this example. Nothing fancy. Although you can, if you wanted to, you can use this Pro Foil Gel directly from the bottle, or you can decant a little bit and use it with a zero short brush to make some more detailed designs.
Yes.
So you can use it any way you like. But this is very simple now.
And how long we are curing?
This is a good question about the Pro Foil Gel, because you can't actually over-cure it, which is the great thing about it. 60 seconds in LED or 1 minute or 2 minutes in UV, but actually it doesn't over-cure. It remains sticky.
Oh, that's really good because we had a problem before.
Exactly.
You know, like it was like overcured, less
Overcuring,
cured.
exactly.
If your lamp is stronger or
Exactly.
weaker.
If your lamp was old. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it was 15 seconds, or was it 13 seconds, or was it 12 seconds? No, it's not a problem at all. You can't overcure this. I mean, I wouldn't leave it in for 10 minutes.
No,
no. But that'd be crazy. But, you know, it certainly stays sticky. It is quite thick in consistency, so just be careful with it. But I'm going to use it straight from the bottle and take some of the excess product off the bottle.
Yes, we could see.
Yeah, it's quite sticky. Can you see it's quite viscous, quite thick?
Yeah, focusing.
Yeah, focusing.
Yes.
And I'm just going to put just directly from the brush here along 1/3 or half, slightly less than half of the nail itself.
You try to apply it quite thin, so not
very thin.
Very thin.
Only because I don't want the surface to be too lumpy and bumpy.
Yeah. Yes.
And I'm just trying to make sure we're covering it all. I'm not too worried about this line being perfectly straight because I'm going to cover it with some bubblegum gel.
Yeah.
But if I wanted to make it perfectly straight, I would take my zero short brush and perfect my line. But here it's enough, I think.
Yeah.
It's just a simple salon design, and you can see the contrast
Yes.
there. Okay, so I'm going to pop that into my lamp and cure that.
Yeah.
Again for 60 seconds, let's say.
Yes, and we can show in the meantime that you did before. I just saw these tips. Sorry about my nails, but I just prop it there.
Yeah.
Oh, give me a second. You need
got a
to
couple
hold it.
I got a couple actually. I'll hold it.
Yeah?
I'll hold it.
Wait. Oh, look at them. With the little lace jet. We are not going to do lace jet today,
No.
but we just want to show you how the foil design,
Works, yeah.
and with the bubble gum.
Sure.
Maybe you can even now, before Christmas turn up,
Yes.
everybody can use it.
Yeah, definitely, very much so. And here we just use a number of different products to layer the effects.
Yeah.
So keep clients happy, but it's very quick and easy. So we don't have to do the lace gel, like Anna said. We're just going to put some stones on. Everybody loves stones at Christmas time. Everybody loves stones.
Yeah.
All the time, yeah.
Yes.
So we've cured our foil gel. Okay. And the other good thing that I've discovered about the foil gel is that previously we were telling people to take off the powder on the back of the foil. And I would still recommend that, certainly if you're doing detailed designs, because this powder is actually unnecessary for nails, you know, so you just use a bit of cleanser and take the powder off. But when you're doing larger areas like this new Pro Foil gel is so incredible, you don't need to worry about it. So I'm literally going to...
Come down, come there,
come there.
Thank
Pop
you.
Pop that onto the foil, and I'm just going to rub it up and down. Can you see that it's coming off?
Yes.
Perfectly. If there's any areas that we miss, I can go back, but I just want to show you how effective it is.
Oh.
Wow. There's a tiny area at the top that's missed, so I'm going to turn the foil around and just press it there. Oh, it's not quite gone. That's okay.
Yeah. Oh, almost is like a little mirror effect.
Mirror, beautiful effect, isn't it? Absolutely stunning.
Yes.
Absolutely stunning. And now I need to put a top coat on this foil as well, because obviously I've top coated the colour underneath. I need to top coat this now. And I have a choice. I can top coat in matte or in shiny.
Yeah.
And you get a different effect with both. I think I'd like to have the contrast. I'm going to use
The shine.
Crystal Nails Cool Top.
Yes.
Everybody knows and loves this for sure. Again, it dries out a sticky layer. It stays shiny for weeks and weeks and weeks. It's absolutely incredible. So I'm just going to put my Cool Top, but only on my foil.
Yeah.
So I'm going to have a contrast between matte and shiny. So just a small amount.
And you can use this one on acrylic, hard gel, and
Yes.
gel polish because it's also soakable.
Universal,
Yeah.
soakable, flexible. So it's a universal top coat.
Yes.
One of our best sellers. Everybody should have it. Okay, and that cures for the same amount of time.
Yes.
60 seconds. 2 minutes in UV.
Yes.
So that dries out without a sticky layer, so that nail is actually essentially finished. But because I didn't actually worry too much about the line between the foil and the colour, I want to just use the bubblegum gel to correct any errors I might have made there and add some more detail to our design. Gold might look nice, rose gold might look nice, but today we're going to use white because I think it's pretty. The consistency of this gel is quite weird actually.
Wait, still there is like a little protection.
Yep.
Come on. Yes. Be strong.
Yay! Because you can see it's stringy.
Yes.
And that's the purpose of it. It's a great... But just do be careful though, because it is very, very sticky. And I don't usually wear gloves. So I'm now getting stuck to my gloves, but hey, that's all good fun.
Yes. So it's coming out.
So we've got the tip now, and I just want
So bubblegum.
So bubblegum gel. I tend to use my decoration needle for applying my bubblegum gel. And you can do it many different ways. You can do it in abstract ways, across the nail, up and down the nail. You can actually do geometric designs as well.
Yes.
But take care if you're doing it on a client, obviously, to protect their skin around the outside of the nail. So we've got some skin guard I would apply, especially if your clients have got sensitive skin. You don't want to get too much product on there. Well, what I'm going to do, try and do this in the camera, is take a little bit. I don't try and like to use this quite thin. I don't like it too thick, but you can have a play with it. And I'm just going to pull a little amount of bubblegum gel up and down. And again, I'm trying to make it thin, so I'm going to put it slightly further to one side and the other. And again.
So you can do all different kind of designs with it. Geometrical, like square, triangle.
Everything. Just take care. Take your time with it.
It looks like quite sticky.
It is quite sticky. It's quite fun though. I quite like it. It's fun.
And it's easy. You don't need to be...
Yeah, it's perfect. Look, it's easy.
Yeah.
Easy. The clients love it. It's very straightforward. And this dries now in the same lamp, 60 seconds, 2 minutes in UV. It dries dry, but with a slight tack to it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what would you like to put it on?
So
or just leave it.
You can leave it because it isn't tacky enough to actually warrant wiping. But you can wipe it a little bit if you want to.
Yeah.
But the tacky layer is enough for you to be able to put some powders and stuff on if you wanted to. But that's something else we can talk about some other time. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are getting more. You can do more and more.
More and more.
Good.
The only other thing I wanted to show you just to finish off this design, because it's Salon Speed design, is just adding a crystal.
Yes.
Everybody loves crystals. So let me just move out my bubblegum gel.
So how you are going to apply it?
So the best thing to use to apply your crystals is Crystal Nails Gem Glue Gel. A relatively new product as well. Really, really strong gel glue for stones. So strong, in fact, I sometimes struggle getting the stones off 3 or 4 weeks later. But we now have a new drill bit, don't we, to actually take the stones off, which is fantastic.
I quite like the new drill bit, honestly.
It's superb. So the Gem Glue Gel is clear. Don't overuse it, though. The one thing that I think isn't very attractive is when you see a lot of glue around the outside of a stone. Just in a small amount to fix it. And then if the stone is very big, you may need to put a little bit of glue around the inside underneath the stone, just to make sure that it's no hairs or anything underneath. So it won't pop off.
Yes.
The other thing I love to use when doing stones is the Crystal Nails Stone Picker-Upper. I don't know, what is the official term for it? The Stone Picker-Upper, huh?
Yes.
It's great. It's actually really, really effective. And these heads can be replaced as well. You can buy a replacement head. And the other end you can use to either move the stones around or actually pick up the glue as well.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do that now because I've got a beautiful large crystal. Another one, Crystal Nails crystals here. I can't really see, that's not focusing. It's okay, I'll show you.
It's not focusing. Yeah, it's focusing now. Yeah.
There's an awful lot of Crystal Nails crystals in the range, and they have different sizes in the boxes as well, which is really useful, and some colours that coordinate and are harmonious, which is really nice. Because some people just only use silver, and I think that can be some boring sometimes. Nice to have different colours and sets. So have a look at those as well. I think the stone would look nice just at the top here. What do you think, Anna?
Yeah. I wish to have my nails done.
So I'm just going to pop a little bit on. So I'm going to make sure there's plenty there because it's the lace gel is slightly, bubblegum gel is slightly 3D, sorry. Just enough though, okay? Pick up one of these big old stones.
Yes. You can see how it is easy to pick it up.
So easy to pick up, in fact sometimes it's hard to get them off.
Yeah.
But look, it's beautiful, huh? So simple.
Simple for any
time of the year, but yeah, we're at Christmas right now, aren't we?
Yes.
And the Gem Glue Gel cures in the same amount of time, 60 seconds in LED, 2 minutes in UV. The Gem Glue Gel does actually have a sticky layer.
Okay.
So you just need to make sure if you have got any glue that's visible, you wipe that.
Yes.
So it's not going to get fluffy. But really and truly, you want to put enough on so that you don't have anything squidging out the outside of it. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Give that a few more seconds to cure.
And you can even put like beads around it if you want. You can
beads around it looks beautiful.
Yes.
But it'll take too long.
Yeah.
Today.
I know. Today.
But this, like this.
Show me. Oh, that's sweet.
This has got just a stone with beads around it, and it makes it look more like a brooch, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I would like to show you Okay, no, you hold it because, you know, the whole pods. This is Amanda's nail art classes. If somebody doesn't know Amanda yet, she has got quite a lot of online nail art classes also. And she's in Buckinghamshire, so if somebody would like to visit her personally, but they are so nice, soft, natural, colors, blending. This is lace gel,
These are both
stamping, everything is in there.
Yeah,
so don't hesitate to contact her. She has got a Facebook page.
I have.
Also, Christiana's Buckinghamshire.
Christiana's Buckinghamshire, that's right.
And her own.
You can't.
Oh,
It's pretty, huh? You can't.
yes.
You can't miss my name. It's a double-barreled posh name. Amanda Hawtree-Taft. Amanda Posher.
Yes. So thank you so much, Amanda. We are coming back.
Yep.
Another nail art one. Thank you everybody to watching us. Yes. See you later.
Bye guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.